start. So we want to try and mold this shoe. Okay, so we have the top. So we start molding. We are molding without leaves. So for people that don't know that you can mold a shoe without leaves, let me show you how to do it today. Right. So we have we need the plier, as a plier, the stapler. We'll be using it for flashing too. But then you're using stagging. Stagging. So tag. You can even fix. Hey, Dave, Alpha. King David. Everybody should check King David on Facebook and follow him. It's my guy. This guys. If you're watching this video, type King David on Facebook and follow. Chief of fuck up. Chief of army staff of fuck up. So, Grace, Folake, Pandan, Folake. This is Folake Pandan. You don't stand. So we're still tagging. Yeah. We're using padding material to tag. Of course, I have to raise it back up. Then you trim. This is the padding. So if I reduce all the effect. So that's gone. You can't do that. You do nonsense, huh? You can't video like that. If you're making video, your eyes must be all video. Uh, so now this is another method to use. So this one we are lashing both the top and the padding material together. Okay. So anyone that is easier for you can use it. Okay. Do you understand? Please subscribe. Balance side. That's how I take hammer. That's more hammer. I'm not sure whether it's outside. So apply this. Back stiff. The first one. Huh? The first one. So this is the front stiff. What is that? Is that? Pause. Allora, companionship. Quello comando. That's a go home. When you sleep.
That girl they follow 3 o'clock. But they sleep small. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afterwards. In the family, yeah, babe. Take no me as in for this before. Use butter. The water don't bring the rubber out of bring them. No, I finished it.
That's a damn balance. Balance. Yeah, yeah.
If you know that, if you no nonsense. That for you. So this is nice. Then you want to know what I'm going to do. I'm going to step into that. Are you that's the way. Wait. Yine son ki. Yani yine son ki. Bağımsa. Bağımsa. Don't get on the house. Yine ah. Bağımsa var. Neyse anything about. Bagom. Bağımsa. Valida.
This is it.
If you can't watch, I know plenty words more than me. Stop playing.
So shoot, huh? Nice. Yeah. Appreciate it. Subscribe. Give us a like, huh? God bless you.